how's everybody doing? It's Leah back with Findependence Hustle. For the podcast listeners, if you want the premium full experience, I also have a YouTube channel. It's Findependence Hustle. Same. Today I wanted to talk about side hustles. 5 that I've personally done. 5 that I consider to be the best. And the very first one, to get right into it, is a talent-based side hustle. I guarantee that you have some sort of a talent. Can you write really well? Can you edit? Like me, I produce music. Can you sing? Do you have a great voice for narration? There are so many different things that you can monetize. The caveat, and the reason that I'm bringing this one up first, is it's not easy to make money off of something like a talent. Unfortunately, it really isn't. If you go on something like Fiverr or Upwork, they are thickly saturated. So unless you have a talent that is very niche, you may want to go onto eBay. eBay, Amazon, selling old stuff can definitely bring you some extra cash. I'm sure you can look around your house right now. There's stuff that you don't need anymore that people will pay good money for. And I would suggest putting it online. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Do what you do. I would go with a more safe solution where you don't have to meet at someone's door or have them meet at yours or meet at Dunkin' Donuts, whatever. I don't have time for it.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Number 3 is phone applications that make you money. I'm going to get more in depth with what particular applications are good for this and which ones you can probably skip. But there are apps that give you free crypto. There are apps where you can earn gift cards for driving, walking. Each app will most likely have a more in-depth video, podcasting, or YouTube. You don't necessarily need any talent to do it. There are ways to outsource your entire channel. This is a faceless channel. I also have another channel where I do show my face. That's totally optional. You could theoretically pay someone on Fiverr to edit, script, compose, and narrate an entire YouTube video without doing any heavy lifting yourself. Also, podcasting, there's free hosts. Spotify has Anchor, and they are a totally free podcasting host. They used to allow you to monetize your podcast with no minimum listenership. Now it seems as though they want 50 listeners. And this is my personal favorite, investing. Invest your money. It's passive income. Dividend investing. Or not dividend investing. Maybe you want to buy a share of Tesla. That is the best way to just sit back and watch your money grow. I'm going to get way deeper into investing in the future. My personal favorite for investing is Robinhood. And my personal favorite for investing in crypto is Coinbase. In the episode show notes, or if you're watching this on YouTube, in the YouTube description, I will have referral links to both. And using my link on Robinhood will get you a free stock. And using my link on Coinbase will get you some free crypto. So be sure to check that out. Do not pass that up. It's an easy way to get started. You can sit back and know that your money is collecting more money. And with that, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for listening. I hope that some of these side hustles are doable for you. I know that they are for me, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. So until I see you again, bye for now.